Wow, it's quite high class actually.
The chicken's quite succulent, which is quite good.
There is like some goji berries that adds to like the natural sweetness of the dish.
What if I tell you this food is from the hospital?
Hospital?
It's from CGH.
Unlikely.
Yeah, unlikely.
Yeah, unlikely to find it in a hospital setting. It tastes better than it looks.
I'm Food Service Manager Vince Goh. Today I'm going to show you around the kitchen and to see how we create all the delicious dishes for our patients. Welcome to the kitchen. This is our first stop. Let's go into the air shower. This is the receiving room. So this is where all the goods are checked before they are being stored to the respective storage area.
We actually have monthly specials or festive season specials. So for the Lunar New Year, they had a special menu for the dinner where there's like crab meat soup, assorted vegetables, and also they even give like patients Mandarin orange as well. We try to balance both nutrition and taste, and therefore the dietetics team and also the food service team play two very important roles, and we work closely together.
The food is being assembled for the patient meals. In between, there's a food checker there who will check the meals to ensure that the meals are accurately plated. Hi Ethan.
Hi Mr. Goh.
Hey, any idea what is this robot doing here?
Good. So these machines are the automated guided vehicles. These will send all the food from the kitchen to the rest of the wards.
Now we have reached the end of our tour. I believe by now you know how all the delicious food in the hospital are prepared, and I hope you have a fruitful time with us. I'd like to wish you goodbye.